Massive sober living crisis in Arizona that preyed on vulnerable people and stole billions of taxpayer dollars.
Yeah, Arizona Attorney General Kris Mayes providing an update today on her efforts in prosecuting the criminals behind this fraud. It's a scheme that Fox 10 investigators have covered for more than 4 years now. Vulnerable people battling addiction being preyed upon by bad actors who promised rehabilitation services but rarely provided any. Many of the victims were Native Americans who were kidnapped from the reservations and then housed in unlicensed and unregulated sober living homes across the valley. In some cases, victims ended up dying when the systems that were supposed to help them failed. Taylor Wirtz joins us now with more on what Kris Mayes had to say today.
Yeah, guys, today the Attorney General acknowledged the pain that many of these victims must have felt, saying she knows that no amount of arrests or convictions or money will help bring back what happened to them. But she did today announce several gains in the fight to help make things right. Today at a press conference, Mayes says behavioral health billing fraud on the American Indian Health Plan has seen a 92% decline since her office launched enforcement actions last year. Mayes claims the state is now a national leader in cleanup efforts, with more than 140 people and entities related to the fraud being indicted, including nurse practitioner Rita Anagho, who was sentenced to 3.5 years in prison in the state's case against her. And Mayes isn't the only official cracking down. To prevent future losses, Governor Katie Hobbs is launching a new AI tool this July. It's a prepayment review system designed to flag and block fraudulent Medicaid claims before taxpayers pick up the tab. At a press conference today, the Attorney General spoke directly to victims of past fraud.
I know that no number of indictments or convictions or amount paid back in restitution can undo the pain and heartbreak and suffering caused by this scandal. But please know that we have heard your stories and we have seen the damage that has been done.
On Wednesday, Vice President J.D. Vance announced that states that fail to crack down on healthcare fraud could lose federal funding, but Mayes maintains that Arizona is at the forefront of it. Reporting live, Taylor Wirtz, Fox 10 News.